innovation doesn't just come from people, it comes from the space around them. Hello and welcome. Today we are taking you inside one of Hyderabad's most dynamic and forward-thinking workspace, GrowWork. GrowWork, where innovation, productivity and community comes together to redefine how people work. Whether you are a freelancer, a startup founder, running a growing enterprise or an established organization, GrowWork has something designed just for you. In today's rapidly evolving workplace culture, traditional offices just don't fit every business needs. That's where GrowWork steps in. GrowWork is a premium co-working and managed office space provider with locations in Hyderabad's prime business zones like Financial District, High Tech City and Begumpet. GrowWork is expanding its operations to encompass 1 lakh square feet within the esteemed World Trade Center, Shamshabad in Hyderabad. Here at GrowWork, the goal is simple: to create inspiring, flexible and scalable workspaces that empower individuals and teams to do their best work every single day. GrowWork is for everyone who believes in working smarter and growing faster. It's perfect for freelancers who need a professional space to focus, create and meet clients confidently. It's ideal for startups that want a dedicated office space without the pressure of long-term leases or heavy investments. For small and mid-sized companies, GrowWork offers ready-to-move-in offices that save time, reduces operational stress and allows the team to stay productive from day one. And for enterprise, GrowWork delivers fully customized office floors, enhanced security and exclusive access, giving you a complete corporate environment without the burden of managing infrastructure. Whether you're starting small or scaling big, GrowWork grows with you at every stage of your journey. What truly sets GrowWork apart is the experience it offers inside the workplace. From the moment you walk in, everything is designed to make your workday smooth, efficient and comfortable. You get high-speed internet backed by reliable IT support so that your operations run without interruptions. A professional front desk and reception team to handle visitors, calls and daily coordination. Well-equipped meeting and conference rooms that create the right impression during client meetings and presentations. Thoughtfully designed coffee stations, collaborative breakout zones, and relaxation areas that help teams refresh, connect, and recharge. Shuttle services make everyday commuting easier and stress-free. At select locations, gym facilities that support healthy and balanced work lifestyle. And all of this is supported by round-the-clock security, daily housekeeping, and power backup, ensuring a safe, clean, and completely hassle-free work environment. At GrowWork, every detail is taken care of so you can focus fully on building your business. One of the biggest advantages of GrowWork isn't just the space, it's the community. From networking events to shared lounges, you get to interact with like-minded professionals and creators. This space isn't just an office, it's a launch pad for ideas, connections and collaborations that take your business forward. Businesses choose GrowWork because it takes care of everything, from facilities and support services to technology and comfort. That's why teams of all sizes are now embracing these flexible workspace solutions. With plug-and-play desks, customizable private cabins, and dedicated enterprise floors, GrowWork lets you work smarter, grow faster, and focus on what matters the most, your business. So if you're launching your dream startup, managing a remote team, or just seeking a professional and community-driven workspace, GrowWork has the right solution for you waiting here in Hyderabad. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
GrowWork is not just a place to work. It is a space to grow. GrowWork. Work smarter, grow faster. By Couple Group, creating value, cultivating trust.